Assalamu alaikum again. I'm here again for you to tell you let's move to the fun again. Yes, I'm again talking about Wren and Martin. And in the Wren and Martin, there is another chapter, there is another topic for you of your interest. And this topic is going to be more informative for you. From this topic, what is our objective? Our objective of learning of this chapter is actually that we should know some kinds of nouns also, because in the previous chapter we have come to know so many naming words and how would we categorize these words into different categories. And now it's time for their types. Let's move to the types. There are some special things for you to have fun. What I have done, I have drawn a tree for you. What is the purpose of this? Because I want to show some branches of the trees. The tree of noun is here for you. And now there are some branches. There are 4 branches that I am going to introduce to you today. The first branch is common noun. The second is proper noun. The third is abstract noun. And the fourth one is, yes, I want to hear, it's a collective. So how many branches are there on the tree of the noun? This is a tree of the noun, and we have got 1 common, 2 proper, 3 abstract, and 4th one is collective noun. So let's begin the fun by using the first 2 branches of the trees, common and proper. Common and proper noun is going to be the first fun of this lecture. The common noun is going to fight with proper. Common versus proper. And what are these 2 things? These are the types of the noun. Don't forget. So, the first point regarding common, that common is a word used to identify some common nouns, some general things around us. For example, first I would like to write the general term for you. It's a general term. What's going to be the next? It's the proper noun. So for the proper noun, it is the name of some specific things. Yes, it is the specific term. What is important about these 2 things, about these 2 kinds? The common noun must be written in the lowercase letters. Means there is no need to write a capital letter in these terms. But for the proper noun, these terms must be written in capitalized. Right? So first learn the rules of dividing them and of writing them. Then we will share few of the examples with you. The first thing is that common noun and proper noun are the 2 examples of the noun. And for the common noun, it is a general term of something that must be written in the lowercase letters. And for the proper noun, these are the specific terms, and for that you must write it in the capitalized form. Right, these are the 2 rules. Let's share the examples. Now time for you, students. I also love to share many examples. For example, for the common noun and for the proper noun. Like girl is a common noun. So what's going to be the proper? The name of the girl. Yes, like Hajra. Yes, every person is not a girl or a boy. They have their own identities. They have their own recognizations in this world. So the name of a girl or a boy is a proper noun, common and proper. The next is store. What's a store? Think about it. Have you ever visited any store? For example, what's the proper noun for the store? For example, chase up. Yes. The next is the day. What day is proper noun? Every day is proper noun. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, all these days are proper noun. And see, I am writing all the common nouns in lowercase letters, but I am writing all the proper nouns in capitalized form. The first alphabet should be capital. This is one of the identification of proper noun. So common versus proper, fun is not ended yet. Let's move to some more examples like book. Our fun book, Wren and Martin, or the English book is also a proper noun. English. The next is another example. For example, city. City. What city? Think. Many cities. Lahore, Quetta, Gujranwala. So, Lahore. It's capital again, right? What's the fun here? City and Lahore. River, Ravi. More examples. Soda. Soda of many kinds. For example, cola is also a kind of soda. Pepsi is also a kind of soda. It is of your interest, students, so you can identify many of the things for common and for the proper noun around you. For example, your mother is also a woman. But what's the name of your mother? That is going to be the proper noun. The common word will be mother and father, but the name of your mother and your father will be the proper noun. Got it? Let's move to page number 12 and to the page number 13. First, the page number 12 contains common nouns. So there are some common nouns written in bold words. For example, shoes, boy, bridges, forms, paint, children. All these words are common noun and has been written in lowercase letters. Let's move to the page number 12. At the end of this page, there is a proper definition of the common noun for you. It is very important to know that what is the definition of any of the noun, because if someone asks you that if you are having fun with Wren and Martin, tell me something about these things. So it must be known to you. For example, there has been written, a common noun is the name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. And we have shared so many. So on page number 13, there is a proper noun. Same is the proper things, the particular or the special things are proper noun for you. On page number 13, you can see exercise number 1. This is one of the best fun from all the book. You are going to really enjoy this fun because you just have to pick out some common and proper nouns from all these sentences. I'm just sharing one example with you. Number 1, Samina is her cousin. There are two nouns, Samina and cousin. Samina is your proper noun and cousin is your common noun. Just underline these words and write P for the proper and C for the common noun. Same will be done with the rest of the sentences, but don't forget, it will be with the fun. The next, page number 14, will be done in the same way. The nouns have been selected for you, underlined already. You just need to write whether it is proper or common. The page number 14 is going to be a really fun for you. Time for diary. Dear students, please complete the given sentences which I haven't completed because I want you all to please complete according to the given lecture. I hope that all these things are clear to you and have fun with Wren and Martin. Allah Hafiz.